Welcome back. Today, we have a special treat for all the dessert enthusiasts out there. Get ready to indulge in the world of celebration cakes. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to create show-stopping cakes for birthdays, weddings, and special occasions. So, grab your aprons, and let's get started. Section 1. The Art of Design. First things first, the art of design. When it comes to celebration cakes, it's all about creating jaw-dropping designs that leave everyone in awe. Start by sketching your design ideas. This helps you visualize the cake and plan accordingly. Remember, it's essential to match the theme and personality of the occasion. For a birthday, consider incorporating the recipient's favorite hobbies or interests. For a wedding, embrace elegance and romance. Section 2. Flavorful Creations. Now that we have our design, let's move on to the delicious part, flavors. Whether it's a classic vanilla, decadent chocolate, or a fruity delight, choose a cake flavor that complements your design. And remember, a moist and fluffy cake is the key to winning hearts. So, don't be afraid to experiment with different recipes and techniques. Section 3. Masterful Decorating. Now comes the most exciting part, decorating our masterpiece. With the right tools and a steady hand, you can create intricate designs using piping techniques like rosettes, stars, or even lace patterns. Fondant can add a touch of elegance and smoothness to your cake. Roll it out, drape it over the cake, and let your creativity flow by sculpting stunning decorations. Section 4. The Wow Factor. We've created a showstopper, but to truly make it a wow moment, we need that final touch. Edible flowers, shimmering pearls, or personalized cake toppers can take your creation to the next level. And there you have it, a celebration cake that's sure to steal the show at any event. Remember, with a bit of creativity, passion, and practice, you can become a master cake artist.